Let me show you how to make this moist and simple desiccated coconut cake. No flour, no butter, no fuss, just a super easy recipe that somehow turns out super delicious every single time. You are gonna love it! To make this simple coconut cake recipe, start by cracking 3 eggs into a large mixing bowl. Next, add half a cup of sugar, which is about 100 grams, and stir it into the eggs until the mixture looks smooth and a bit lighter in color. It should take around a minute, but if it still feels gritty, just keep mixing a little longer. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give the eggs another quick mix just to blend it in. Now, add 1 cup of heavy cream. This is the thick, rich cream with a high fat content. It's usually around 35% of fat or more. Depending on where you are, it might be labeled as heavy cream, whipping cream, or double cream. Pour it in and mix until the mixture looks smooth and starts to feel a bit thicker, just as you can see in the video here. That means everything is coming together the way it should. Next, add 2½ cups of desiccated coconut, which is about 250 grams. I've left a link in the description below to the exact desiccated coconut I use. It's finely shredded and completely unsweetened. Then, add a pinch of salt. Stir it in gently until everything is mixed together. The batter will start to feel thick and a bit heavy, and that's what you want at this stage. The coconut is soaking up the liquid, and that's how the texture starts to come together. Now, refrigerate the cake batter for about 30 minutes. This gives the desiccated coconut little time to fully soak up the liquid and lets the batter thicken a bit more. After the batter has chilled for 30 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it in gently until it's fully combined. Next, take a 9-inch square baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Press the paper into the pan so it holds the shape, and make sure it's tucked into the corners. Let some of the paper hang over the edges so it'll be easier to lift the cake out once it's baked. Scoop in all the batter and spread it evenly so it covers the bottom and goes right to the sides. Bake the coconut cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 35 to 40 minutes, until the top of the cake is golden brown and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. This desiccated coconut cake is soft and moist in the center. It's slightly dense and holds together well. The coconut gives it a bit of chew, the top is golden and has a light crunch. The flavor is simple and balanced, with just enough sweetness to let the coconut stand out. If you like baking with coconut, then check out this traditional Sri Lankan coconut cake here also. It is moist, rich, and full of warm spices. It's completely different from the desiccated coconut cake, but just as good in its own way. Check it out now!